This is a review on the OD Green G10 Basilisk R by Jerry Home. This Balisong is 10 inches overall. Don't remember the exact weight. I know it's in the 4-ounce range. If I had to compare it to another knife, I would say it's like a replicant mixed with the B400. The G10 is weird because it doesn't quite feel like regular G10. And what I mean by that is, it's like it has almost a rubbery feel to it. It's grippy, but it's very bouncy, I guess. I guess the only real negative thing about this knife, I have to say, is how thick it is. But that's not even necessarily negative. It's all personal preference. In my opinion, it doesn't really matter. I still think it's a great knife. Bushing driven. See if you can see him. You can't really see him. Oh, there you go. Phosphorus bronze washers. It has this layered OD green and black G10 scales, titanium liners, and I'm not sure what the spacers are. I believe they're titanium. This blade is wicked. I mean, it is just gnarly how that tip is. The spine is softened but not completely crowned, which I don't really mind. Still the most comfortable knife I've ever owned. It carries weight really well. Like, it's definitely handle heavy. That could have been bad. And yeah, I'm not sure what else there's to say about this knife. Buttery smooth. Jerry Home. All his knives are top notch. I mean, it's just top tier flipping and quality. Should you buy the knife if you have the money? Yes, because it is awesome. If you like a replicant or B400, then you will definitely like this knife. It is awesome.